Oh my goodness, dude. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Behind me, we have the C5 Corvette, and you might notice that it looks a little bit different. Now, let me just show you guys real quick what we have going on with this thing. So if we get a little up close look, you'll see that we have a ton of Christmas lights all over this car. I think we have roughly 1,500 Christmas lights and over 500 feet pretty much everywhere. I mean, I even put the lights down here on our carbon fiber side skirts and whatnot. Now, obviously right now it looks kind of weird with the blue painter's tape. It's very visible during the day whenever there's light, but at night, let me just tell you guys, it looks absolutely awesome. And you'll be able to see here pretty soon because the sun's gonna be going down in like the next 30 minutes. Now, the lights that I wrapped the C5 in are battery powered, meaning we don't have to hook up to the actual car's power supply. So we can pretty much leave these lights on pretty much as long as we want to without worrying about destroying the car's battery. And as you can see, here is one of the little control units. Inside here, there are 4 AA batteries, and then this little button on top actually controls everything. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna let the sun set a little bit, get ready to head out, and then I'll show you guys back what the car looks like once the sun's down a little bit. All right, guys, as you can see, it is now dark, and I have the C5 pulled back right over here. I'm gonna turn all the lights on so you guys can get a good look at exactly what it's gonna look like whenever people see it tonight while we're driving around. And yeah, I'm gonna leave the car on so y'all can enjoy the cam sound while I do all this. But yeah, just bear with me. We gotta do 7 of these things, turn them all on individually. So here goes the first one. Moving on to the back, we got a bunch of them just hanging around. Right, come on now. Right there. And the final one is done. I'm gonna close this hatch a little bit. Oh my gosh, I can already see. Oh, it looks so cool. And lower the hood. And bam, dude. Oh my gosh, this looks awesome. We used over 1,500 Christmas lights and 500 feet. I mean, it is insane. 7 different individual wiring harnesses that are all battery powered by 4 AA's each. So quite a bit of batteries, but the finished product is so worth it. We're gonna try to go take some pictures downtown and meet up with some friends. Don't really know how well it's gonna go. Hopefully cops don't give me any issues, but I do wanna show you guys what it looks like from the inside of the car. You can just see all the lights. That one looks like I'm getting pulled over. It freaks me out every time I turn around, but I mean, it is absolutely crazy. All right, now I think it's time that we take the C5 and go get some more pictures and videos. I'm really praying for the best that the tape sticks, especially while going interstate speeds, but you know, I guess we're just gonna have to find out, right? There's really no other way to do it but just to try it. So let's get it going. All right, guys, so we are on the interstate right now. Obviously, the lights are off for legality purposes, but we're only going about 60 miles per hour, mainly because around 70, it does not feel very good. I'm hearing a lot more movement out of the Christmas lights, and I really don't want them to fly off. So we're just gonna kind of cruise at 60 until we get to where we need to be going. All right, guys, well, we have pretty much arrived at the first place we're gonna be meeting up at. I'm meeting up with Ashton and Palmer at Chipotle right over here, and gonna show them the lights. Look at the boys.
Is this how you do it, really, though? Do you just tape the light?
I just taped it, bro, yeah.
That's dope.
It held up good. All of it's good. Dude, the top felt like it was gonna fly off. All right, Palmer, you wanna finally see what the lights look like?
The big reveal.
The big reveal.
Dude, I feel like I'm not here too, buddy.
Oh yeah, sorry, Ashton. You wanna see what the lights look like too? Yeah. Here. Let's set up my 7 modules. Bam, bam, bam. And the final one, where is it? Like that. Yeah, they're gonna do a whole bunch of random stuff. They're a little bit off, like they're not synced up very well because I had to go around, obviously, but
yeah, that's sick for a Corvette, though.
Sir, what are you doing? You posting me on your story? Hey, $5 for a photo, sir. What do you want, sir?
It's so cool.
Oh, you like it? Do you like it?
Yes, I love it. High five.
Not too hard though, it's cold. All right, so we are headed downtown to get more videos and whatnot of the car with the lights on. We got Ashton in front of me in his BMW, and then Palmer back here in his 5.0. It's gotten quite a lot colder than it was before, so hopefully these lights stay in the car. Hopefully the tape doesn't lose its stickiness. finally downtown, and it is time to turn these lights on. Let this car glow a little bit on the street. Let's go. And the last one. Bam, that should have it to where they're all on at all times, so they're just a steady state. Looks very, very festive. Oh yeah. None of that flickering, just on the entire time. Oh yeah, looks freaking awesome. All right, and the car sounds great too. All right, so we have the lights set up on the car. I'm gonna give the camera to Palmer. Oh my gosh. Guys, the Christmas lights look so freaking cool. Super illegal to be doing this right now, but whatever, it's Birmingham. And it's Christmas time. Forever out, man. You guys let me know down in the comments if you're gonna be putting lights on your car this year. Honestly, I highly recommend. This is just a great experience. I don't know, it's just a lot of fun.
Hello, sir.
What up, man?
Does it look good?
Yeah. Heck yeah, it looks good.
Hey, you wanna drive it?
Yeah. I'm never gonna say no to that.
You wanna drive the Christmas tree Vette?
Get in the car. Let's go.
Okay, I gotta get in through the driver's seat, but I'll do it. Yeah, I taped over, by the way guys, I taped over that door, so that door doesn't open. So we're about to just climb in on this side. All right, buddy, hop in.
Clutch is butter. What?
You like how my
If
clutch
y'all have
feels?
ever driven S550 Mustangs, dude, these clutches are way better. That's fun. God. Golly, man. This thing freaking rips, dude.
It rips, man.
Freaking
It rips,
rips.
brother. So how'd it feel, man? How'd it
Better
feel?
than my Mustang. Better.
Oh, really? You like it better than your Mustang? You want to trade? We can trade right now. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, a second ago I accidentally opened this door, and this door is like not able to be opened, so it ripped so much of this tape off, dude. But it's all right. We got more on there. So we are gonna be moving spots somewhere a little bit better for some pictures. Pull up into here. Oh, this looks great. This looks like a wonderfully dark area to get some really good shots of this thing. All right, let's see it. Let's see it. And wham! Oh my goodness, dude. That is crazy. This turned out way better than I expected. Going into this, I did not expect it to look nearly as good as this does. It literally shows the entire outline of the car, which is also really cool. Get a little pictures for social media, because this thing looks freaking phenomenal. All right, guys, we're about to move the car over there, get some photos, more for social media and whatnot, and then we're gonna call it a night. It's getting super cold out here, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Tell me why we got ice cream in 35-degree weather.
It's 35 degrees right now.
It's pretty good, huh, though?
It's good, but I'm cold.
Very good ice cream.